With up to 100,000 enabled sites like MapQuest, Zagat Survey, Charles Schwab, PGA Tour scores, travel information, and the weather. AT&T wireless web service puts the tools of the internet in the palm of your hand. Or the pocket of your pants.
More and more golfers are playing Ben Hogan irons. They're forged to help you feel the perfect shot and hit it again and again. Of course, some people have known this for quite a while.
Boy, that felt perfect.
Hey, Hal, you think anybody knows we're here?
No. How could they?
Forged irons from Ben Hogan. A feel for your game.
You might say our name was one of the smaller things we changed.
Buick proudly sponsors the Tiger Woods Foundation. Together, we're eliminating the obstacles and helping kids everywhere reach the green.
You're watching CBS Sports, home of the Masters.